Hi, this is my recipe for butter chicken. It's actually a good complementary food for Halloween. It will look great next to your pumpkin-based recipes. Okay, let's start. First, prepare chicken marinade. You need chicken breast, tomatoes, cut everything in cubes, add yogurt, then garlic, mince it, add ginger, turmeric, cumin, some salt and chili, and then mix it well. Then prepare sauce. So cut some onion, wash it to prevent crying, fry this onion and garlic together, and then add some ginger, grind coriander seeds, and then add some garam masala. Mix it well, add tomatoes, and fry for another 20 minutes. In the meantime, fry your chicken in another pan, taste and add salt if needed. Blend your onion mixture with a bit of chicken juice. I like chunks, so I'm not blending it smooth, but usually you should. Then add some thick cream and then sugar, 100 grams of butter. Mix it well, and then add your chicken at the end. Once it's done, garnish it with a bit of coriander. Taste before your guests jump on the food because it's great. Garnish and then serve with hot, freshly made naan. Enjoy!